Willkommen, welcome to Kinder German. Have you ever been to Germany? Maybe you have, but maybe you haven't. Perhaps your family is planning a trip to Germany. Well, have you ever been wondering what it might be like to arrive at a German airport? Let's have a little play. I've got a little setup here and learn some of the words that will help you when you arrive at a German Flughafen, a German airport. Vielen Dank, dass Sie mit uns geflogen sind. Thank you for flying with us. When you get out at the airport in Germany, you will actually see that all the signs in the airport are in German as well as English. So it will be easy for you and your family to find the way to the Gepäckausgabe, to the baggage claim area. At the Gepäckausgabe, you will get all your luggage. Get our suitcases, children. Das ist mein Koffer. Das ist mein Koffer. This is my suitcase. We have to find the Zoll. We have to find the customs. At the Zoll, the customs, you will be asked for your Ausweis, your passport. Kann ich bitte Ihre Pässe sehen? Kann ich bitte Ihre Pässe sehen? Ja, gerne. What did he say, Mom? He asked for our passports. Can I please see your passports? Come on, children, let's see if we can find Oma. That's grandmother in German. Hallo Kinder. Hi children. Hallo mein Kind. Wie geht es dir? Hello my child. How are you? Mir geht es gut. Danke. I am fine. Thank you. Wie geht es euch, Kinder? Wie geht es euch? How are you, children? Gut, danke. Gut, danke. Good, thank you. Let's see what things we can do while we're in Germany. You'll find out in the next video. See you then. Tschüss.